Welcome guys, welcome to the session from homeremediesforyou.com, and in this video we'll be talking about the UTI home remedies. UTI is also termed as urinary tract infection and it is very common in women. And in this video we'll be seeing certain processes with which you can prevent UTI as well as can make some relief from UTI. Now, UTI is an infection of bacteria in your urinary tract, and the infection is generally caused by. So, let's see what are the treatments. First treatment that is prescribed to you by any doctor if you go for treatment of UTI is drinking plenty of water, right? Now, this is the very first thing that you should do. Now, drinking water helps flush away the bacteria and puts you the risk of losing, any further or causing any further infection, right? And it helps you for going towards the recovery. And actually, the amount of water that you should take normally is, in case of this disease, you should exactly double the amount so that this disease go away very faster. It usually depends on the weight you have. For example, if you are say 120 pounds of weight, in that case you should at least take 60 ounces of water every day. Second thing is cranberry, and in any form. That means whether you can take cranberry as the whole fruit or you can take cranberry supplements. It's very hard to get cranberry food or juice all the time, but if you get even supplements, for example cranberry pills, this is also very good, because this cranberry juice or cranberry supplement, whatever, it contains certain materials which flush away the bacteria and keeps them from sticking to the bladder of your wall, because that's very important thing. If it flush out the bacteria from the bladder or the wall of your bladder, it can actually cure the disease pretty faster. Third thing is vitamin C. Now vitamin C supplements work like a charm in this type of disease, right? In this case, vitamin C makes your urine more acidic. Now acid is certain thing which we everybody fear. Like bacteria also fear acid. So if your urine makes more acidic, in that case those bacteria will go away, they will die in that acidic environment, and it can help you cure the disease pretty much faster. Yogurt and probiotics. Now once you have this situation, probiotic can help you to fight against those infectious bacteria, because probiotic means good healthy bacteria which are helpful for our body. So yogurt contains lactobacillus bacteria, which is good, bifidobacteria, which is also good, lactobacillus acidophilus. So all these bacteria, once you take them, they will go and fight against the bacteria that are causing the UTI. For example, the E. coli species or certain, or Candida albicans like fungi. So they will keep away all those other, trespassers away from your bladder. Apply heat to the belly, and actually when you mean belly, it means lower belly, because once you have the pain, this heat can help you to remove the pain and make you feel better, right? So actually in this case you should take that hot bag, putting the water on it and press it gently, apply it to your pubic area. And this applying pad, water pad, can actually help to relieve that burning sensation in the lower belly section. Emptying your bladder. Now this is the very important thing. The major thing for UTI is drinking plenty of water and then emptying the bladder. The more you empty your bladder, that means the more chances of the bacteria go away is high, right? So definitely if you empty your bladder more, bacteria which are causing the infection will go away, and you can recover the situation very well. Oregon grape and certain kind of other uh, different kind of ayurvedic medicines can help you. Oregon grape can contain certain materials which also acts like, uh, it actually removes all those bacteria, and also it is having a very important property of anti-inflammation. That means it prevents the infection and 5 different signs of infection. So this is very powerful thing, right? So this can help to fight against bacteria like E. coli, which can cause UTI, and it can relieve, it can take all those other bacteria away from the UTI. So this is a very good thing to go with. So ultimately, uh, rest of the thing is that you should maintain certain healthy lifestyle which will help you to go away from all those other bacterial infection in future, as well as during this process of UTI. Once you have the UTI, you should not take, alcohol or spicy food or nicotine or caffeine, because these things are actually, these things already can irritate your bladder. So if once you're having the UTI, and if you still take all those food that further irritates your bladder, it can cause harm, and it will take more time to cure for this particular disease, right? So be safe, stay healthy.